What's the difference after install Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers? When choosing wheel spacers for off-road, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality wheel spacer must be made of good material. Industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is the aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061 T6 and 7075 T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than casting ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and hook flow data.
Choose a good set of Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers that can make a big difference in your off-roading performance. They make the wheels feel the fender well, achieving a more aggressive and sportier stance. By moving the wheels and tires afterwards, these wheel spacers increase the track weight. A wider track provides your car with better traction, handling, and stability.
Compared with others, BONOSS wheel spacers has more unique designs with more functions. The advantage of choosing BONOSS aluminum alloy spacers is that the hot anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevent rusting. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub centerings. The multi-layer design provides a pivot to be the corresponding hub spacers. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and better load transition. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS Mitsubishi wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.